Are you looking to try intermittent fasting with the Carb Manager app? Let's get started. To start a fasting program, go to Settings and then Intermittent Fasting. You can choose one of several standard programs or create a custom fast if your fasting schedule varies each day. Today, we're selecting a 16-8 program where we'll be fasting for 16 hours with an 8-hour eating window. Next, we'll set our eating window. Let's set a window of 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. and tap Start Program. Our fast is now active. You can stop it at any time here in Settings by tapping Stop. Let's go to the daily log to see our fast. Here's our fasting window. You'll see a timer that shows how long you've been fasting, when your fast started, and when it ends. If you want to view your fasting program, tap the three-dot menu and select My Fasting Program. If you decide that you need to change your eating window for today only, you can just tap Edit to see your options. Is today a free day? Tap Free Day. Are you planning to fast all day today? Tap All Day Fast. If you just want to edit your eating window, you can use the sliders. Your eating window is entirely customizable, so you can even edit its length here. These changes apply to today's eating window only. Tap Save, and we're done. Now, let's log a food. If you're logging a food that you plan to consume during your eating window, or a food that you've already eaten within your eating window, tap Show Advanced to change the timestamp of that food when logging it, so that it matches the time of consumption. Then, the food won't break your fast. If you try to log a food outside of your eating window, you'll get this message. Continue logging and keep fasting, or log food and break my fast. If you're logging a food that does not break your fast, like black coffee or supplements, select the first option. If you're going to break your fast today, select the second option. One of the great things about fasting with Carb Manager is that you can track your fast in goals. Just go to Goals, tap Change, Lifestyle, and you'll see where to view your fasting hours per day and eating hours per day. Of course, if you have any questions, you can check out our knowledge base articles on fasting at help.carbmanager.com or contact our support team through the app by going to Settings, Help and Support. Happy fasting!